Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our Laravel 9 e-commerce series. And now guys, in this video, we are going to learn about how to list out all the products from our carts table. Okay. So guys, now let's get started. So first, let's move to this navbar and create a URL called carts. Okay. Let's get back to our editor. Okay. Let's close everything. Refresh. Let's go to resource, views, layouts, inc. Inside front end, we have a navbar blade file where the cart URL is present over here. And now let's create the URL function cart. Done guys. And now let's create a route. Go to your web.php. Let me close this file, not required. Let's go to routes web.php and create a route inside the middleware auth. Okay, so you need to create a middleware auth. Inside that auth, you need to create a route colon get function where you will mention your route and the path to your controller. And now guys, we need to create a controller to reach to this cart. Okay, so let's open a terminal. Now php artisan make controller. Let me comment before creating the controller guys. Controller where inside the front end folder /cart controller. Okay, hit enter. So guys, let's see the code. App http controller front end. Inside front end, we have a cart controller. Now guys, you can copy the path and link it. Copy and paste it. Let's uncomment this. Paste here / the controller name, that is cart controller. The class name, copy your class name, cart controller class comma and then your class name, that is index we are going to create now. Okay, let me close this. Let's go and create a function with the name index. We don't require any type. Let's remove that. And here just return view where we'll tell like it's going inside front end folder where the cart page, and inside cart we are creating one index file. So let me just show you resource views where front end, inside front end we are going to create a cart folder. Inside that index blade file index. Okay, as simple. Now you can copy this and create a folder inside your front end. Let's create a new folder cart, and inside that cart folder let's create a index blade file index.blade.php. So it's inside cart guys. Done. And now you need to extend your layouts. So let us just copy from the wish list. Just copy everything, close it, Control W and Control V. So here is our Livewire component. Let's remove that. We don't require now. And here is our cart list. Okay. And add h4 tag and tell cart page. And now guys, let's check the output. Let's get back. Let's go to this cart URL. Let me remove everything. Cart, hit enter, and you find that cart page. Perfect. We have got the output guys. And now I just wanted this to be linked in Livewire, as we are going to work with Livewire. PHP artisan make Livewire frontend /cart folder again cart show. Okay, hit enter. Now you find your component created. So guys, let's just check out that. HTTP controller Livewire where front end cart, and you go to your cart show. Let's move here. So we have this path. Let me just copy from here guys instead of typing it. And now let's just open and close tag / here you paste your code and Livewire your component name. Okay, front end cart and cart show path. As simple, guys. And now let's cut this and just paste this in your render file. I'm in render function. So here is your render function, and this is rendering your blade with the name Livewire. Okay. So let's go to this Livewire blade file and paste here card page with Livewire. Okay. Let's save. And now you refresh, you get the same data with Livewire. Okay. Perfect. So we have successfully linked with Livewire. And now guys, let's design the user interface. So for that, I have just written a small post, guys. Here is the output. Let's copy this same code. Okay, let's just drag it till below, copy and paste. All set, guys. Here we see that we have 3 products. So you can just remove few products, cart item, cart item, cart items. So we have 3. Let's remove and just keep 1 cart item. And after your container, you can just add one h4 tag and mention my cart. Okay, and give a horizontal row, and we don't need this pg light, just remove that. That's it, guys. So now let's save and check for the code again. Here we have some css, so we have already added this css, guys. So now let's refresh here, so you get perfect data. So product, price, quantity, and remove button. Cool. And now guys, let's link our products. So whatever we have stored in this carts table, we need to call it one by one. So now guys, let's get back to our editor and just move to cart show.php. Forget about everything. And now let's declare a variable called cart. Okay, so public $cart, done. And you can get all the data and just store inside this cart. And now you need to call your cart model where using get method, and here you send that user underscore id comma authenticated user id. Done, guys. And you need to send this variable cart, and from the data you are getting this. Let's copy this and send here. All done, guys. You get the variable cart and you are sending to this blade file. Let's go there, and here is our cart item to be looped. So just use for else. Okay, so this is your cart where cart capital I. Okay, cart item, and here you just use one simple div tag, no cart items available. Done. And now guys, let us cut this and paste after your cart item. Perfect. So now first step, you need to check the product is there or not. So for that, guys, let's use if condition. If cart item of product. So what is this product? So we need to create a relationship over here in the carts model to check your products. So let's break here if condition. All set. So let's move to cart variable first, guys. So here is a cart variable which goes to cart model. Okay, let's import this class, guys. First import class. So class imported, and now you go to your cart model. Let's move app models where your cart.php. Okay, so here you see that we have a product ID. So just type relation belongs to, and here you get the data. Let's create the function name product, and it's a belongs to relationship belongs to the product model. Let's just check out the product model here, product.php, product Okay, and the foreign key is from here. Okay, from the card table, and other key is primary key. Okay, done. And now guys, you need to import this class. Import the class. Okay, imported, and let's import this belongs to also. Perfect. So both are imported. Here your belongs to and your product model. So same case guys goes with your color, product color ID also. Let's copy this and paste here again. So now guys, let's create for the product colors. Okay, all done. And here you call your product color model. Okay, product color model, and the foreign key. Let's copy this foreign key, paste here, and the primary key of that ID. So not an issue, just ignore that and import the class guys again for this. Just import it. Done. So we have these two records, and user ID, we don't require to show any username. Just ignore that. Done guys, and we have done with this relationship. Now you can use this product with this if condition and get all the product name also, okay, to display your product name. Now you move inside your code, and here is a HP laptop. That means the product name you have to show. So let's copy this cart item of product of, from the product table you are getting the name. Okay, let's see the product name. Perfect. So we have 4 items in the cart. We have listed the cart, and now let's check for the image also same way. So now guys, let's fetch for the image. So image also is stored in separate table, not the same table. Just use a set function. You call your cart item, copy this cart item, paste here, and go inside your product, and product has the image. Okay, so not the image column directly, it has a relationship. So let me just show you that relationship of product. So go to your product. This is my product model, and it has a image. Okay, so here it has a product images. Let's copy this product images function. Okay, name, copy that and get back to your card show blade. And from that product image, I just required the first image of that. Okay, and get the image path. As simple. Now if you go here, you see that product image function. Here as a product image model. Let's move to this product image model guys first. If you go here, you'll find the image column. So this image column only we are calling in our show blade file. Let me just show you here. Cool. Now guys, that's it. Let me bring it down so you can see it clearly. All set guys. Now if you refresh, you get your images too. Perfect. So we have got all the images guys. And this t-shirt, you see that it's repeating 2 times. One is here and one is here. Why? Because we have selected this t-shirt with one color and this t-shirt with another color. Okay, so in that case you should show your image, color name also with this product name. So this is a product name, and below only we will show the color also. Add a br tag and use a span tag to show the product color name. Here you need to add with color and show the product color. We have the relationship of product color. Copy the function name and get back. Here you show the product of ID. Okay, oops, here you missed with double curly braces. Let me remove this double curly braces, and now you refresh. So guys, we face that attempt to read property ID. So like some products doesn't have color. So here you see in your database, the product ID 4 has the product color, but product ID 6 doesn't have the color. So at this time we have to create a except option. Okay, so you have to skip that. So for that, guys, you can just check with this item of product color in a if condition. So use a if condition. If it has the product color, then only display it, else don't display. So let's push this code inside the if condition, as simple. And now you can refresh. Perfect. So you see, guys, that it is checking for the image only first, and if it has a color, it's showing, else not. Okay, so here you see that ID shown. So instead of ID, we just want to show the color name. So for that, you can just follow up to your relationship of product color. Let's go to this product model. So you go to your product model, you see that we are storing the color ID. So it has a color list also. You can go to that color. Here is a name. Okay, so just remember it's a name, and you get back to your color, product color. Here is the function color. Okay, let's copy this function name. Let's move back to your, and yep, so product color of, go to its relationship belongs to, and from that color table you're getting the name, so which I said to remember. As simple, guys. And now if you require, you can again use a if condition to check whether it has a color name or not. Okay, for your safer side, let's use if condition again and just check this name is there, then only display it. That's it, guys. And now you can just refresh and see with the color names, not with the ID. Perfect. So you see that red and green. And now, guys, you see that the design is not matching according to it. So what we'll do, we'll just concatenate here. Okay, so you just remove this if condition and just add hyphen and make it to this capital. So it will continue with this. Okay, perfect. And now let's fetch according to it, price, quantity, and everything. Okay, let's fetch the price also. Let's add double curly brace, dollar cart item, product of selling price. Okay, and then here you paste your quantity, open and close, and tell cart item of quantity, the quantity column, and then a remove button. So we'll be seeing in further videos about how to remove the item from your carts table. And now, guys, let's move above, and here you just do a validation if the image is not given. So at that time, what you have to do, just skip it. Okay, so you can just add a if condition again. If, so you paste this cart of image, if it's not available, you don't show this complete thing. Okay, and if you're required to show, just add a else part and you paste your dummy image size. Done, guys. Let's paste here, and I don't have any path here, so just leave it blank. As simple, guys. So if you have a dummy image, just paste the path of that dummy image, or else just skip that. That's it. So now, guys, here when you click the product, when I click on this product, it should go to that specific product. So the product path means, let me show you in new tab. Here you go to collections, then your, let me show it mobile, and then your product name. Okay, now let's copy this and create the path for viewing the product in your a tag. Okay, so yep, let's open and close curly brace url function where you tell collections forward slash and then start with the concatenation cart item. Let me copy from below. The cart item, the product has the category relationship. From that category, I'm going to get the slug of it. Okay, as simple. Let's copy this again and concatenate it again. Here forward slash dot and check for the product slug. Okay, as simple. So this is your category, then product. Done guys, only two relationship. Now let's get back to your cart list, refresh, and when we click on this product, it should view that specific product. Let me close this tab, everything. And now guys, I'm going to click on this t-shirt. So it moves to t-shirt. Perfect. Let's go back again and just view with the Vivo V9 teen. Cool. It reviews the product. So guys, in this video, that's it. And let's continue next video about the quantity increment, decrement, and remove the product from your carts table and many more. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.